when I was younger and I told my mom that I was bored, she would say, "Only boring people get bored." At the time, I thought my mom was just being a dick and calling me a boring person. But now I realize she was just telling me to go find a hobby or go entertain myself. So, now when I do a craft or make a video, I think to myself, don't be boring. And because of that, I realized that sometimes in the crafts, I'm using materials that you guys either don't have or can't find. Things like this colorful leather that I stamped my face onto. This leather is rad because it has a layer of wax on top, so over time that will rub off to show the color underneath. To make the leather available to you guys, I made some kits and some goodies with some help from my friend Weston. Look at that cutie. So the first thing I made were these little hand keychains. I did a hand because I wanted it to look like it was holding the key, but also because I thought it'd be funny to put like some hand tattoos or scratching some hand tattoos on them. Next, I did a patch of my dumb face. I thought it'd be funny to scratch famous people's face tattoos in them. I see what you did there, you clickbaiting son of a bitch. Anyways, I was a huge cheater and I had to look up like famous people's face tattoos. I didn't really know very many except for maybe that one. So I'd be surprised if you guys could guess who all these face tattoos belong to without cheating like I did. So yeah, these are just patches with a pill and stick back, so they're ready to go. Next, I wanted to do a little pencil holder kit, and I thought it might look rad if I like sketched or scratched out a bunch of little drawings all over the top of it. And yeah, it was pretty cool. I also decided to mix and match the pieces, so my end pieces were red and yellow. And one of the main ideas for this kit was to do something where you didn't need any tools, and so it's all origami style, where there's no stitching, it all is just held in place by leather, and all you need is your hands to put it together. I'd probably say the wallet kit that I'll show later is easier, but this was like more fun to put together. And there you go. It's all put together. And to open it, you just pull those little tabs, and now you can hold pencils, or crayons, or makeup, or thread, or jungle animals, or glitter, or bees, or beads. I don't know, whatever. So the wallet kit comes in a bunch of different colors. You can mix and match your thread. Here's an example of Weston's wallet and how it's faded over time. Like that's the green before and this is the black. So cool. So I'm super stoked on this next piece, which is a twirl. We added like a little circle loop at the top so it can hang, but really you can just like roll it up and take it with you or whatever. The main thing I was concerned when making this was that it had those 3 strands and it would make that checkerboard effect. You can also see that the outside of mine is also getting nice and worn in. So the last thing I made was something that you could carry everything in. A handy dandy black pack. It has that custom leather patch and then custom leather pull tabs. So I have that backpack and the kits and all that stuff available for you guys on Kickstarter. And as a thank you, I'm gonna have like a discount, like 25% off. And then after the Kickstarter, they will be available on my site, but at full price. And then also, I'm gonna throw these in extra, just randomly in orders for people who ordered today and tomorrow. So you could get one of these guys, extra. So cool. Mm-hmm.